Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss radiation pollution. Uh, the objective of today discussion is to study various components of radiation pollution and their impact on the environment. Okay. After completing the discussion, student able to understand what are the cause of pollution, what are the impact of radiation pollution, and what are the prevention and control measure of radiation pollution. So, first of all, we need to discuss what is the radiation pollution. Okay. So, the radiation terms can refer to the wide variety of forms of energy moving around as a wave or particle. Okay. And these particle or waves can be released by the radioactive substance. Okay. And it can mean X-rays or it can means microwaves because the radiation or which comes under the radiation pollution or the source of radiation pollution are two types: ionizing radiation or non-ionizing radiation. Okay, and it can also be referred to infrared light and even visible light. Okay, but when we say radioactive pollution, we are being more specific to the pollution that caused by the radioactive material. And the radioactive pollution refer to the release of ionizing radiation into the environment as a result of human activity. And ionizing radiation is the form of radiation that has a short wavelength, and that's why it has a high frequency. And in short, it is the form of radiation that commonly know of a being high energy and thus harmful to living beings. And ionizing radiation include X-rays, gamma rays. Okay, so these are the ionizing radiation which are harmful for the human beings as well as animals or plants. So radioactive pollution occur when there is a presence of um, deposition of radioactive materials in the atmosphere. Okay, as you know that any radioactive material release the alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays. Okay, and especially where their presence is accidental, and when is it present in environmental threats due to the radioactive decay. Okay, so radioactive decay is the major cause of radiation pollution, and the destruction caused by the radioactive material is because of the emission of hazardous ionizing radiation. Okay, like beta particle has to be released in the ionizing radiation, alpha particles. And gamma rays, neutrons in the environment where they found. And now we talk about the type of pollutants that cause radiation pollution. Okay, so the pollution that caused by the substance, okay, in the form of radiation pollution, it comes under the two category: the non-ionizing radiation and non-ionizing radiation. Okay, so the non-ionizing radiation is relatively long wavelength, and it has like radio waves, microwaves, visible radiation, ultraviolet radiation. Okay, and a very low electromagnetic field. And it is generally considered as less dangerous than ionizing radiation. Okay. And ionizing radiation is the short wavelength radiation and emitted by certain unstable isotope or radioisotope, okay, during the radioactive decay. And this can cause by atoms to release their electrons, and these free electrons can damage biochemical, can damage proteins, lipids, and can cause mutation, as it can damage the nucleic acid, including DNA, that could cause severe health problem. and including cancer, and sometimes even a death has to be there. So that's why the radiation are classified into the two types. Okay, so the ionizing radiation or non-ionizing radiation. So the non-ionizing radiation, as we discussed here, the electromagnetic waves of a longer wavelength. Okay, which are near ultraviolet rays to the radio waves, are known as non-ionizing radiation. And these radiation have enough amount of energy to excite a molecule and atoms of the medium via they travel, and they make atoms to vibrate faster, and but does not have enough amount of energy to ionize them. Okay, that's why it is called non-ionizing radiation. And ionizing radiation are electromagnetic radiation that have high energy. Okay, like gamma rays, X rays, even short wavelength ultraviolet radiation also has capability to ionize them. And these rays of energy like alpha rays, beta, gamma are generated during the electrochemical decays, and they have the ability to ionize molecules and atoms via which they travel, and they also have ability to change molecules and atoms into charge ion, and radioactive decay process from which alpha, beta, and gamma radiation are generated. Okay, so what are the causes of radioactive pollution? Okay, so the radioactive pollution is caused by when radioactive matter is allowed to contaminate the environment, and there are several main ways in which this can be happen. Okay, so a key cause of radioactive pollution is breaches at nuclear power plant. Okay, so the nuclear power plant is a major source of radiation pollution, which can result in leakage of radioactive matter into the environment, as nuclear energy become a big alternative to fossil fuel, and this risk has to be increased while using a large amount of nuclear power reactor. And another cause is chemical spills. So the here the radioactive chemical can whether due to improper transport or to container breaking and spill out into the atmosphere and onto the ground. Okay, so that's why this is a major cause of radioactive pollution. And another cause of radioactive pollution is when scientific experiments involving radiation are not conducted with the proper care. And a famous case is the scientist Marie Curie, whose studies into the cumulative effect of radiation actually caused her to fall ill from radiation poisoning. Uh, and nevertheless, her discoveries help us to make great strides toward treating and curing cancer. And wherever there is radioactive material, there is the danger of radioactive pollution or radiation. And radioactive material must be handled with great care. And below the effect of radiation pollution are discussed. So these effects are what will occur if radioactive material is not handled properly. Okay, so the improper handling leads to the radiation pollution. After that, you will find a list of preventive measures that can be taken to keep living being safe from the radioactive pollution, which we have to discuss here. So that's why this chart showing the various cause of radioactive pollution. Okay, so the nuclear accident from nuclear energy generation plant is the cause of radioactive pollution, and the nuclear energy has high latent power is due to its high level of radiation, and the use of radioisotope is another cause of radioactive pollution. So these isotopes such as uranium have high concentration of radiation in them, and even the cosmic rays also cause of radioactive pollution. And these cosmic rays come from outer space to our planet, which intense radiation is their nature, causing radioactive pollution. And spillage of radioactive chemical also another cause of radioactive pollution. And instances of spillage over ocean when ship hit glacier end up releasing large amount of radioactive material into the water. And the test on radiation is another way of causing of the radiation pollution. So here the key element in the cure and treatment of cancer, scientists have been exposed to radiation leading to their death. That's why these all are the source of radiation pollution, like nuclear power plant, nuclear weapon, transportation of nuclear waste or radioactive material, disposal of nuclear waste or improper disposal of nuclear waste, and uranium mining, refining of radioactive substances, and preparation of radioactive isotope. Okay, so all these are the source of radiation pollution. So there are some causes are natural and some causes are man-made. The natural cause include breathing of random gases and other more mild form of natural radioactive element. And these radioactive material in the earth crust raise from the cosmos and trace amount of radioactivity in the body. Okay. And while the lots of man-made cause also there, like medical procedure such as CT scan, X-rays, nuclear radiation are the cause of radiation pollution. And the nuclear accident from nuclear energy generator plant is a major cause of radiation pollution. So, in the post-modern world, various forms of energy are being discovered, and these energy, like nuclear energy, which is thought to be the most potent source of energy due to its high latent power. And reports indicate that the high latent power is due to its high level of radiation, and its use is therefore prohibited. But research is underway to determine its environmental safety and put in place the most appropriate precautionary measure for its use. And in some of the cases and countries, however, nuclear power plant accident is happen, like Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster in 2011, Chernobyl disaster in 1986, Three Mile Island accident in 1979 that left many death and even many more affected by the radiation released by these nuclear accidents. And the use of nuclear weapon as a weapon of mass destruction is another way of cause of radiation pollution. And the use of nuclear missile and atomic bomb, a form of nuclear energy in the Second World War, explains not only the cause but also the damaging nature of radioactive pollution or contamination. And everyone knows about the effect of those strike in Hiroshima and Nagasaki that prompted the end of the war in 1945 have been seen to that with children born with complications such as mental retardation, as well as a condition like autism, and so many other disorder has to be observed. The people are living there, and the number of cancer cases present in the two towns is more than those of the rest of the Japan. And the use of radioisotope is another cause of radiation pollution. These radioisotopes are used to make detectors and in other industrial activities. These isotopes, such as uranium, which have high concentration of radiation, and common isotopes such as carbon containing radioactive material are easily found in waterways through sewage lines. And since most of the raw sewage is untreated before they are released into the streams, and the isotope combined with other compound and element present in the water, and this is the same water that people fetch for domestic use. And moreover, fish use the same water to survive, and consumption of these fishes and from contaminated water source means the potential intake of radiations. And another cause of radioactive pollution is mining. And mining mostly involve the excavation of the mineral ores, which are then broken into the smaller manageable pieces. And radium and uranium, for instance, are naturally occurring in the environment, are equally radioactive. Okay, and hence mining increase the natural geological processes by moving these the material from underneath the earth to the surface. And other mineral with a hint of radiation are thorium, which are the radioactive material, plutonium, radon, potassium, carbon, phosphorus. Okay, so that the isotope of carbon and phosphorus, which has radioactivity in them, are the cause of the radiation pollution. And spillage of radioactive chemicals also the source of radiation pollution. So there have been instances of spillage over ocean when a ship hit glacier or polar reefs and end up releasing large amount of radioactive waste or radioactive material in the atmosphere, in the water. And the majority of these chemicals, including petroleum products, have a significant level of radiation, which can be detrimental to the marine, aquatic, or flora and fauna. And the taste of radiation is another source of radioactive pollution. And the radiation has been seen to have a lot of interesting properties, which has prompted a lot of scientists to conduct a test to learn more about it. And it is one of the key elements in the cure and treatment of cancer. Okay, because the radioactive therapy is also used for the treatment of cancer. And the chemotherapy, a cancer curative health initiative, uses radiation to prevent further growth of cancer cell, as well as keep the immune system strong. Despite this, scientists have been exposed to radiation, leading to their death or other complication in them. And as per the report to the UN General Assembly in 2000, nuclear testing is the main reason for human exposure to radioactivity caused by the man. Okay, and the cosmic rays are in the source of radioactive pollution. And these cosmic rays come from the outer space to our planet with intense radiation as their nature, therefore causing radioactive pollution. Like gamma rays, for example, are said to have the highest level of radiation. And depending on their intensity, some are more visible to human eye, and the quantity with which the rays hit the earth depend on the altitude of the earth and the geographical location. And there may be terrestrial radiation from radioactive element present in the earth crust. And these radioactive elements include potassium 40 and radioisotope of radium 224, radon 222, thorium 232, uranium 235, uranium 238, carbon 14, and all these occur in the rocks, soil, and water. So this is also a source of radiation pollution. And there can also be unstable radionuclide that split into the smaller parts, emitting energetic radiation that can enter into the body of organism through the air during respiration. And the nuclear waste, as we discussed, are another cause of radiation pollution, as the nuclear waste handling and their improper disposal is the source of radioactive pollution. So the radioactive waste are of three categories: high level, low level, and transuranic. And they mainly comprise of the disposal from nuclear weapons and the cleaning material from nuclear plants, military installation, and emitted from plutonium processing and other radioisotope from hospitals and laboratories. And the handling and disposal of nuclear waste may generate low to medium radiation over a long period of time. and their effects are not only hard to predict but may not be easily distinguishable, as the radioactivity may contaminate and propagate through the air, through the water, soil as well. And moreover, identifying a location of some nuclear waste is not easy. So the main issue is that the radiation waste cannot be degraded or treated chemically or biologically, and the only options are either to contain the waste, storing in tightly closed container shielded with radiation protective material, or diluted, and it can also be contained by storage in remote area with a little or no life, like remote caves or even salt mines. However, natural or artificial whatever shield are used may get damaged over time. So the storage is a major concern or in case of radioactive pollution. And moreover, waste disposal practice in the past may not have used appropriate measure to isolate the radiation. Therefore, those areas need to be identified carefully and restriction promptly imposed. So, defensive weapon production is another source of radiation, and the production of defensive weapons that may release radioactivity from the radioactive materials, and that handled usually have high health risk. However, the current standard will not allow the release of any significant amount of radiation unless an accident occurs. And now we have to discuss what are the effects of radioactive pollution. So the radiation alter and destroys cells in the living organism, whether an organism is a plant or animal, including humans, also affected by the radiation pollution. And radiation can result in illness or death. And radioactive pollution can cause genetic mutation in living organisms and in their descendants. If an animal is exposed to radioactive pollution, for example, it may give birth to babies that have a severe congenital genetic defect. And these mutation can also cause cancer, sometimes severe, several years in the future, as well as conditions such as infertility also observed due to the radioactive pollution. And radiation can also have a burning effect. Chemical burn are slightly different from the burn that come from excessive heat, as chemical need not be at high temperature for an organism to feel a burning sensation when they come in contact with them. However, radioactive burn can cause blistering, reddening, pain, damage to the skin tissue, and damage to the soil and plant is another key effect of radioactive pollution. And radioactive pollution can leave soil infertile and unfit for agriculture for several decades, and it can leave the air unsafe to breathe. So this figure showing the various effects of radiation pollution. So genetic mutation is there. It leads to the damage of DNA strand, leading to genetic breakup in the course of time, and the various disease like cancer, leukemia, anemia, a reduction in the lifespan, leading to premature aging and premature death, and soil fertility due to the radioactive substance in the soil react together with the various nutrients, leading to the destruction of nutrients. And cell destruction, and the radiation destroy the cells present, leading to the permanent damage of the various organ and organ system. And burn, the immediate presence of burn, red lesions, and sores is evidence to make it worse, and this can lead to skin cancer. Okay, so these are the major effect of radiation pollution. And skin irritation to that depending on how much radiation is exposed to the body, and what part of the body are exposed, and how strong the immune system is. And blood component change, nausea, vomiting, fatigue, diarrhea, and cancer all are the effect of radiation pollution. Okay. And the genetic mutation, like radiation has adverse effect when it comes to genetics, and it leads to damage to DNA strand, leading to the genetic breakup over time, and the degree of genetic mutation leading to change in DNA composition varies due to the level of radiation one has been exposed to and the kind of exposure. And in the event that human or animal is exposed to too much radiation from the atmosphere, and the food consumed and even water used, then and the chance are that their body have already absorbed the radiation. Once in the body, it remain active because energy cannot be destroyed, and the resulting mutation make our highly susceptible to the cancer. For pregnant women, kids born have adverse effect caused by the genetic mutation, like low weight during birth, effects such as a disfigured birth and impairment like blindness in the children have also been reported, and infertility has also been mentioned as an effect of radiation. Okay, and then various disease is the due to the effect of the radiation pollution, and cancer is the most dominant radiation related disease. It has developed over the years and pose a great risk in the global health, and other diseases include leukemia, anemia, hemorrhage, reduction in the lifespan leading to the premature aging, premature death, as well as other disease like cardiovascular complications, leukemia, okay, caused by the radiation pollution, and even the effect on the bone marrow, so that the production of red RBC has to be affected, and another effect of soil infertility and exposure of radiation to the atmosphere means it is present even in soil, and radioactive substance in the soil react together with the various nutrients, leading to the destruction of those nutrients, thus rendering the soil infertile and highly toxic. And such soil leads to the harvest of crops that are riddled with radiations, and thus unfit for consumption by both humans as well as animals. And plants that grow from such soil are generally genetically modified, since these are the base of the food chain, and the herbivores consume them and retain the radiation level, and the carnivores such as lion, vulture end up consuming them and increasing their level of radiation. Okay, excellent through the concept of biomagnification. And another effect is cell destruction. And radioactive pollution has a diverse effect such as alteration of cells. The bodies of living organisms are unique as within it, and there are millions of cells in one single body, where each has its own purpose to fulfill. And radiation distort the cells present, leading to permanent damage of the various organs and organ system failure. And in the face of too much radiation, the permanent illness and death are inevitable. And another effect is burns. So the radiation is not easy to feel, but it is easy to realize that you have been affected by it. And the immediate presence of burn, red lesions, and sores are evidence. And to make it worse, this can be lead to the skin cancer. Okay, and okay, so there are so many effects on the flora and fauna, and even the animal at different level suffer differently, and the higher level organisms get more affected than insect and flies. As you know that the biomagnification concept, and herbivores such as cattle when grazing the contaminated land, the deposited radioactive element like iodine, cerium, get accumulated on the animal tissue in large amount, and these radionuclide enter their metabolic cycle and affect their DNA. Okay, and this end up having a mutated animal generation with a higher risk of health issue by just a small amount of radionuclide. And it also affect the plants, and the plants are exposed to radiation, and the damage is mostly done due to the increased ultraviolet waves, and different plants get affected by different ways, and the stomata stop to evaporate during the increase of radiation. When the radiation hits the chromosomes, the reproduction gets hampered, and it results in altered shape, size, health of the plant, and exposure in high amount destroy the affected plants. When we eat these plants, we ingest these radioactive nuclide, and it also affect the marine life. So the power plants, which are source of nuclear energy and the chemical processing, have been releasing radioisotope into the water for decades, and the cesium, radon, krypton, rubium, zinc, copper are few of them. And though the waste is released in a permissible amount, it does not mean safe. And these radionuclides can be detected in the soft tissue or on the bones of fish, and the seaweed used in breed was said to be have radioisotope of ruthenium, and the shell of all shelled fish and the tissue of fish are contaminated with the radionuclides. Okay, all these are the effect of radiation pollution. And now, what are the preventive and control measures for radioactive pollution? So, the safe storage. Radioactive pollution need to store in specialized container which do not break easily and which do not allow radiation to seep out. And clear warnings is there. Radioactive material can contaminate a person clothing or their skin, and as that person moves through the environment, they can contaminate other living organisms in their turn. And the clear warning about the presence of radioactive material will prevent this from happening. Of course, anyone are not able to read these warnings, and this is why adequate containers are also needed. And alternative source of energy seeking alternative to nuclear energy will reduce the number of nuclear power plants in the world, and thus reduce the risk that are associated with the radioactive material. And the radioactive material is present in various places in nuclear power plant, and radioactive material are used to produce nuclear power. Moreover, the waste that is produced by the nuclear power plant is also radioactive, and the nuclear disarmament and getting rid of nuclear weapon is very significant way of eliminating the hazards associated with the radioactive material. Okay, so this figure showing the how to overcome radioactive pollution. Okay, so the disposing radioactive waste, proper labeling, burning of nuclear test, and proper storage and reusing. Okay, so these are the way by which the radioactive pollution has to be controlled. So the disposing radioactive substance properly, safely measured should be enforced strictly. And leakage from the nuclear reactor, careless handling, transport, use of radioactive fuel, fissile product, and the radioactive isotope have to be totally stopped. And there should be regular monitoring and quantitative analysis through the frequent sampling in the risk area. And the safety measure should be strengthened against nuclear accident, and preventive measures should be followed so that background radiation level do not exceed the permissible limit. Okay, and the radiation, you know, that is the pollutant that is more dangerous than any other pollutant that found on the earth. Okay, that's why there is too much concern maybe must be there to prevent and control measure of the radiation pollution. Okay, so these are the major way by which the radioactive pollution can be prevented. The proper method of disposing of radioactive waste, proper labeling, banning of nuclear test, alternative energy source, proper storage, reusing, and precaution at a personal level. Okay, so these are the figure which is showing the source of radiation pollution. This is nuclear explosion site. These are the nuclear power plant, which are the major source of radiation pollution, and these are the nuclear weapons, which are the another source of nuclear radiation pollution. These are the mining or radioactive mining, okay, uranium mining, which are the source of radiation pollution. This is the references. Now, so the pollution is caused by the radioactive substance which emit invisible radiation released in the environment through human activity is called. Okay, so this is called radiation pollution. So option B is correct. The most active source of radiation pollution, nuclear power plant. Okay, so option A is correct. What are the source of radiation pollution? Okay, so nuclear weapons, transportation of nuclear waste, disposal of nuclear waste. So all these are the source of radiation pollution. So option D is correct. And the radiation is relatively long wavelength electromagnetic radiation, such as radio waves, microwaves, visible radiation, ultraviolet radiation. Okay, so this is comes under the non-ionizing radiation. So option A is correct. And the radiation is the short wavelength radiation emitted by certain unstable isotope during radioactive decays. Okay, so this is called ionizing radiation. So option B is correct. Uh, Thank you.